I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the accounts tied to your app data so you can authenticate restores. Sign into Google or Apple ID and any app vendor accounts now. This prevents authentication delays. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and power to keep the device alive during long transfers. Next, install or open the backup app or built-in restore utility. You'll trigger the actual data fetch from cloud or local backup in the next step. You now select the precise backup snapshot, pick the date, and confirm the included apps and data size so you avoid missing files. Start by restoring the apps themselves, then follow with app data if the system separates those steps. This order prevents mismatches. Make sure to grant permissions when prompted: storage access, contacts, notifications, background activity. These permissions allow apps to import their data and function correctly, so don't skip them you finish by opening each restored app and verifying key data: messages, settings, and files. Re-log in for services that use encrypted backups. Some require fresh credentials to decrypt content. If you find missing items, rerun the restore and check the backup integrity, or switch to a verified local copy. Make sure to clear app cache or reinstall the app before retrying a restore if you hit errors. This removes corrupt temporary data and often fixes stubborn restore failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.